Hi, today I'm making a pork chop casserole. This winter dish is basically a cream of mushroom soup recipe. It's chops and it's potatoes, so it's very simple. The main thing that you want to remember is that you want to cut your potatoes thin enough so that they will cook through. You have a couple of chops, any type seasoned to your taste, a cup of flour, and half a cup of vegetable oil. Sometimes I use avocado oil. And I have a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of pepper and salt. And all of those seasonings are going to go into the potatoes. I pour those potatoes into the casserole dish. You can kind of see how thin I've cut them. So they shouldn't be thicker than that. I set those aside and then begin to flour my pork chops. Now the thing, I'm not using an egg batter in this case because I want a lightly breaded chop. So the thing to remember is that you just want to lightly flour these chops. Once you have added your potatoes to the casserole dish, you want to add the cream of mushroom soup and a half a cup to a cup of water, depending on how much you're making. And you're just kind of mix that in well. You're going to add the chops to the top of the casserole. And if you have a casserole cover, you cover it and put it in the oven at 300 for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I don't have a cover, so I used foil. But the result is the same. It will cook down very soft and tender. Sometimes I had to add a little bit of salt to the potatoes, but that's to your taste. But as you can see here, it is a warm comfort food for the winter. I definitely recommend it. It's an easy make-ahead dish.